Realme 3.
In less than a year since its launch, smartphone brand Realme has made its mark in India. It entered the list of top 5 smartphone brands in the country and even knocked its parent Oppo out of the 4th position. The company has already released 6 devices in the entry-level and budget segments, including Realme U1, released under Oppo's branding. Now comes the confirmation that it will release another new device very soon, and that is Realme 3. Realme 3, the upcoming smartphone from the brand, will be powered by a MediaTek Helio P70 SoC. Realme's CEO Madhav Seth recently shared the information on Twitter. So hey folks, this is Saf from Extreme Droid, and here is everything you need to know about the Realme 3. Let's start. Design. Let's start with the design. In a teaser tweet, Realme has posted an image of a smartphone which appears to be Realme 3 with a diamond cut back design. The first Realme had come with the same diamond pattern back design, which was a unique thing about the device. The Realme 3 is also expected to come with a dual camera setup on the rear with 2 sensors aligned vertically. The actual device inside the cover appears to have a color gradient on its back, with shades of blue varying between aqua and cobalt blue. The teaser also confirms that the Realme 3 will also feature dual rear cameras and a fingerprint sensor at the back. As for the front, there is no confirmation, but most likely it will have a Full HD Plus display with water drop style notch that will house the front camera. Moving forward to the specs, the upcoming Realme 3 is expected to come in 2 variants powered by 2 different processors depending upon the region. The Realme 3 is now said to be powered by a MediaTek Helio P70 processor in India, but the global variant will be powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 SoC. The Realme 3 won't be the company's first smartphone to be powered by a MediaTek Helio P70 SoC. Realme U1, the company's first smartphone in its all-new U series for selfie-centric phones, is also powered by the same chipset. The MediaTek Helio P70 processor is built by TSMC using their 12nm FinFET technology and features Cortex A73 and Cortex A53 cores in the same 4+4 arrangement, coupled with ARM Mali-G72 GPU. The CPU is clocked at 2.1 GHz for the A73 cores and 2.0 GHz for the A53 cores. The GPU is also clocked higher at 900 MHz. The AI processing unit APU also brings a 10 to 30% improvement in the processing efficiency compared to the Helio P60. In case of dual cameras, as confirmed for the Realme 3, the highest camera resolution supported by Helio P70 is 24 MP plus 16 MP. The chipset also supports 4K recording at 30 FPS, while the APU helps in recognizing scenes and objects better. But do note that these are the highest possible specifications supported by a Helio P70 SoC, and Realme could choose slightly lower specs. Now comes the release date and pricing. Realme has announced on Twitter a new event that will take place on March 4th. This will be the introduction of Realme 3. The event will take place in New Delhi at 12 PM. The Realme 3 will have a MediaTek chipset. It will be the second smartphone in the portfolio with the Helio P70. It is said to be 30% faster in download speeds than the Snapdragon 660, that is in the Realme 2 Pro. Other rumors suggest a 48 MP snapper and a price tag under INR 10,000 or about $140. So guys, are you excited for the Realme 3? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And for more future videos like this, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.